Hey guys, today it's all about unicorn bubble bath. By the way, by far the best bubble bath I've ever made. This bubble bath is serious. It creates buildable bubbles that easily grow higher than the tub. First, I colored some recycled bath bomb powder that I already had, but if you need the recipe, check out the embed recipe on the icon from the Valentine's Day bath bomb. Choose whichever mold and color pattern that you want for this. The goal here is to just get the powder in a solid flat form so that it can be broken up later when it's dry. Essentially what I'm making here is bubble bath bomb pieces that will serve as colorful decoration in the jar as well as give the bubble bath extra bubble power. This is a salad spinner bowl that I use to separate the big chunks from the small pieces. I added a bit of each color to make a tiny bit of purple dough to start off with, but don't make a lot of purple because after cutting the shapes, the extra dough gets kneaded back together to roll out again, so eventually you'll end up with all purple anyways. Stars are intricate shapes with sharp angles and skinny corners, so getting mini ones out of a cookie cutter can be tricky. So for this, I highly recommend plunger cutters. They have a spring back that pushes the shape out for you. I wish I'd painted all the stars. I don't know what I was thinking. The sparkly surface looks great and it really plays up the unicorn theme. You can always go back and paint each individual star, but that takes a lot of time, whereas painting the entire surface at once is super quick. I ended up making plain white bath bomb powder to balance everything out. Again, the recipe is the Valentine's Day embed. I'm going to show you how I layered my bubble bath, along with a few tips to make it really pop come together and look great. But ultimately, this is a chance to really get creative and put your own unique spin on it. First, pour in a few layers at an angle. Then, add a break or an accent layer. Breaks look best if they're in contrast with the previous layers. In this case, I'm using the bath bomb pieces as a break in the layers. The bumpiness and texture is in stark contrast to the previous smooth powder layers, and it also provides a really nice color pop. I throw in bubble stars at various times, mainly just when I remember to. Next, I add smooth and ultimately boring white powder in contrast to the very colorful, playful, and bumpy bath bomb pieces. And then again, I decorate it with a few bubble bar stars. Then I pour in 4 layers of colorful and chunky coarse sea salt. I top off the jar with bubble bar pieces and powder. And a few more stars. I did want to mention the only decorative element that has eco-friendly glitter in it are the salts. I tried not to go overboard on this stuff, and I feel like this bubble bath really did come out perfectly balanced, and I think it looks great. Just remember to throw in a few break layers, a few sparkly stars, and maybe some colorful salts, and I don't see how this bubble bath won't come out perfect. This bubble bath is the best that I've ever created. It produced tons of high quality bubbles. You can tell if they're great bubbles by their sturdiness and how long they last. These were buildable bubbles, like where you can take the bubbles and build a snowman. Well, okay, like not a snowman, but it's where you can pile on the bubbles on top of each other and they stay. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like creative bath inspiration, you should subscribe. Stay updated with weekly videos including fresh ideas and fun bath projects.